Welcome, my name is Balazs and we are here at the CES 2018 with the latest smart displays by Lenovo, which means that we have now a smart assistant also not only in the speakers inside but also with a little tablet, you could say combined, because you have a touchscreen 8 or 10 inches. I think this is the biggest smart assistant, the Google Assistant, here on the market right now with a 10-inch touchscreen. As you can see, there is a video right now just running, but obviously we have also a speaker built in. Here there's 4 microphones, so there's 2 on the right side. This little thing helps us cover up the camera. If you don't want to use the 5-megapixel camera, we can just slide this up there and then it's physically hidden. Then on the top we have 2 more microphones, volume rocker, and this is probably, I think, the microphone on and off switch, which is also manual. And then on the back you have the power port. It feels like this is real wood on the back because it's not completely flush. And then on the bottom we have here a USB port, which is covered by a rubber right now, and you can also put it in portrait mode if you don't want to use it in landscape. And then also on the 8-inch model you have the same feature, portrait mode, USB, rubber legs, 4 microphones, and physical lock for the camera. So actually this is the same thing, both Full HD, but a little bit of a different back cover, and obviously a smaller screen here for the 8-inch Lenovo Smart Display. They're both coming to market very soon. Choose your size and then you can do not only assistant work, but you can also watch videos, voice calls, video calls and so on these new smart displays. Thank you much for tuning in. This was the new short little demonstration of the Lenovo Smart Display family. Till next time, please, and again, my name is Balazs and thank you much for watching.